Hello, I'm Nicole with My Math Experts, and today I'm going to show you how we can add and subtract fractions. So we have this word problem that reads, Jaden works in a lab and works on many different experiments. He measures out 4/6 of a liter of one solution for one experiment, and 5/8 of a liter for a different experiment. How many total liters did he use? So write your answer as a fraction or mixed number in its simplest form. So because we're being asked how many total liters, this is going to be an addition problem. So when we add and subtract fractions, the steps that we need to follow are first to solve for the least common denominator. In order to add and subtract fractions, we need them to have common denominators. So if we have 4/6 plus 5/8, our denominators are not common. So now we need to change them to have a common denominator. We will take both of these fractions and find a common denominator by looking at their least common multiple. So between 6 and 8, their least common multiple will be 24. And now we just have to ask ourselves, okay, what is our equivalent fraction? How do we get 6 to 24? This involves a little bit of multiplication. So 6 times 4 equals 24. And whatever we do to the denominator, we have to do to the numerator. So 4 times 4 is 16. And then we apply that same process to 5/8. 8 times 3 equals 24. So we say 5 times 3 equals 15. Now we move into our second step where we rewrite our expression with our new common denominators and operate the numerators. Now that we have our common denominators, we just simply add or subtract across. In this case, it is addition. So going into step 2, I have 16 24ths and 15 24ths. We add 6 plus 5 is 11, so we have 32. 31 over 24. 15 plus 16 is 31, and we keep that same denominator. Then it goes into step 3, where the denominator remains the same, but we simplify in its simplest form. We do have an improper fraction, so it is best to change it back into a mixed number. The way that we do that is we use this little tool or little trick I like to call METO. Numerator in, denominator out. So we're going to use long division to change this into a mixed number. So numerator in, denominator out. How many times does 24 go into 31? Once. And we subtract. Carry over. 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. And so we get that 7 is our remainder. In order to change things into a mixed number, we keep our one whole number and our quotient, and then we bring up our remainder as our numerator, and the denominator stays the same as 24. And we see that that is option B. Our final answer is 1 and 7/24. Thank you. Have a nice day.